What's up? This is Johan, back at y'all with another video, and the city is underwater. What you think about our city right now?
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's super crazy. It's a car back here that's literally in the water by itself. Glad nobody was hurt, but I'm gonna get some drone footage of all this stuff out here to where you guys actually can see what's going on. But actually today I was just gonna get some drone footage, but I decided to, might as well do a photo shoot while I'm down here. And now we got Lamaya here, and we are about to get into a flood shoot. You ready to get it started?
I'm excited. I'm ready.
We ready. Oh, this water just got cold on me. Here we go. Nice. We're gonna do that kick again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Control your facial expression. Like, give me a straight face, but make it count. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That was better. Nah, give me something different. Yeah, there you go. Stay there. I want you to keep that pose. Take your chin toward my light. Turn your chin some more. Yep, right there. Hold on, I might need to move my light closer. I want you to stay there. And I'm gonna put this a little bit there. Okay, turn your chin some more. Yep, right there. Nice. Oh, that's blowing back too, so that look good. Yep. Kind of hold that other one arm out there. Yep. Okay, give me like some over the back, over the shoulder. Nah, kind of legs here, and then turn this way like that. There you go. Yep. Huh? Oh.
Upper back.
Yep, stay there. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Go 1, 2, 3. Nice, stay there. I'm gonna take this way. You good? Okay, here we go. Bring that umbrella down, son. Stay there. I'm gonna get a wider shot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Step over to the middle, son. Yep, right there. Yep, stay there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, I want you to give me something like what you're doing, like with your foot here, and you like you kind of looking down. Nah, how you was. You was kind of here, and then you was kind of looking down at your foot. Yep, there. I ain't got none in the car. Got the bird. You ready? This sitting at an angle for some reason.
It might be like in a flower.
check this. Yep, right there. Yep, stay there. Give me something where you kind of got that there. Yeah, just like that. Yep, that's dope. Let me scoot back so I can get some of that reflection. Yeah. Dope. Yeah, I like that. I want you to bring that umbrella down some. More off to the side though. Yep, there. And I want you to look off that way though. Yep. Nice. Look this way. Okay, here we go. And I want you to kind of pull that back a little bit. There, yep. Kick one foot out. Yep, perfect. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Nice. There you go. Act like this your photo shoot. Give me something where you kind of like leaning forward. No, go ahead. I like what you was about to do. Kick that foot up, yeah. Just put your leg over then. Yeah, yeah. Yep, right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Give me that umbrella out that way. Yep, lean. Let me see, you're not gonna be able to lean. Yeah, put your foot more in the water, your right foot, so scoot up toward the end. There, yep. I gotta bring my shot, go a little bit wider. Here we go. Bring that umbrella down a little bit. Yep, right there. Here we go, 1, 2, and 3. Now kick that foot over. There, yep. Okay, so now I want you to come up and sit here on this end. Yeah.
Facing you or?
Yep, facing me. Whoever car that is, they going viral. Okay, this is our last shots. I'm gonna change this. Here we go, in 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Let me scoot back real quick. Let me get that car in there. Let me get this last shot. I'm gonna turn this up some so I can get that, balance this light out real quick. Turn on, turn on. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. There you go, you ain't cold. Tell yourself that. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now I got that light evened out, balanced out with my ambient. Bring that umbrella out kind of here. Yep, there. But tilt it up, yeah, a little bit. Perfect. Here we go. Take your right foot, bring it in, and the left one out some. There, yep. Take the other hand here. Yep, that's great. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And got it. Yeah, so we just got done fishing up with our flood shoot. The Bengal Stadium is under the water. Like, this car is over here under the water, but we made it happen. Lamaya is a great model. She did the unbelievable. You see what she got on, and it's starting to freeze out here. It's what, 40 degrees or something like that. But anything for the shot. This is Johan YH Images. Make sure you follow Lamaya where at?
At Lamaya the SC on Instagram.
On Instagram. Do that. We out of here. Till next time.